Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, February 15th. Time is 10:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys. I am long 10 contracts 59.89 right here. This is based off of the value area high level. And we have a sequence that is starting to form. Hasn't quite gotten there yet. But we're going to go ahead and give this a shot, as I think this level is probably going to hold. So a lot of down pressure. Did not trade yesterday, and wow, the EIA was amazing. Up like 200 ticks or so from 58.17. Actually closer to 300 ticks from that big run up there. So I'm trying to get in a couple decent trades this morning. I've just been waiting around. Nothing has been promising. So 60.09 had held for a bit, and I didn't take this trade, but it could have ran up 30 ticks or so. So we're going to try to work this one here, and that's about as best as it can get as far as a feel. And alright, did not get a cluster formation there. Got double bolts though. So, and then the aggressive buyers are starting to come in at this point as well. So we'll wait and see. Alright, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and wait a minute. Okay, the half just came off at 60 even, and that leaves me 5 contracts long, 59.89. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 87. And so it's going to be a 2-tick stop, and then I'll set a pill point for 60.09. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. Okay, got stopped out here at 87 and immediately got back into this trade again. So long 10 contracts, 59.88 right here off the 7 deviation line. We'll set it up to pull half off at 98. And 98, give me just a second. Sell 5. And stop is going to be sitting at 83 for a 5-tick stop right now. 83. All right, let me watch and we'll see what happens. All right, got half off at 98. I'm going to move my stop to break even at this point. And I will set a pill point for 60.08 and see what happens here. All right, I'll be back. Okay, one off at 60.08 for 20 ticks. That leaves me 4 contracts long, 59.88. Stop sitting at break even right now. And I will set another pill point for 60.18 for 30 ticks. All right. Not really expecting this to push up. We don't have any kind of a sequence. The bears are still really strong. But we've banged against value area high. And this is the 50% retracement from this run up yesterday, according to the fib levels. So, ideally, I like the 61.8, and that lines up perfectly with the point of control as well. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, stopped out there, and at this point, I'm just going to wait. I'm thinking we're probably going to push on down through value area here, probably get on around the 61.8 at 59.46, and then maybe some type of a reversal sequence that happened at that point. But as for now, just going to wait it out. So I'll be back. All right, guys. I am short right now. 10 contracts, 59.99. I don't see any reason why I shouldn't try to ride this one down. Got to see what is going to happen here. So, sorry. We banged up against the 8, challenging it right now. And I'm not seeing anything reversal-wise just yet, so still think we're going to push down a bit more. And I'll probably look to pull everything around the 61.8 fib line at 59.47, and we'll probably get some type of a sequence there as well. So short 10 contracts, 59.99, look to pull half off at 89, and stop is sitting at 09 right now. See if I want to tighten that up a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop to 05 for 6-tick stop, and we will go forward from there. Stop. Submit. Alright guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, stopped out at this point, and let me just watch and see if this is actually a turn or not. And need to gauge this one real quick. So, alright, I'll be back. I'll see if we can get back in somewhere. Alright, we're giving us another shot short. 10 contract 60.04. Look to pull half off at 94. Stop is sitting at 60.10 for a 6-tick stop as well. And yeah, I still think we got some down room in this one. So, alright, I'll be back. Alright, pulled half off at 95 for 9 ticks. And I am going to move my stop a bit. Let me see here. 4 entry. Seven. Ooh boy, that's a tough one. Alright, I'm gonna just move it down 1 tick for a 5-tick stop. Yeah, 60.09. That's my stop for 5 ticks. And uh-oh, yep, just got stopped out. Okay. Now at this point, let's see here if we want to take this short again or not. So, pushing up, and this is looking somewhat like a channel and a break up. So aggressive buyers are coming in. All right, I'm gonna sit on the sidelines and see if we want to get long in this one now. All right, I'm gonna watch. I'll be back. All right, it's kind of running off without me. Didn't see any kind of thing to signify a reversal here, so if that's the case, then I'm just going to miss this trade as I don't chase. So a lot of aggressive buyers in this area, and we're pushing back up against the 50 moving average again, and maybe we can make a decision from that point. So alright guys, on the sidelines, I'll be back. Okay guys, waited for this bar to close. Tricky. I'm short 10 contract 60.33. Look to pull half off at 23. Stop sitting at 43. So 10 and 10 on each direction right now. And we'll see if this 50 period average holds or not. So so that's kind of where we're at. So let's see what happens here. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm really not liking this. I moved my stop to break even at 33 right now. Because I'm in this trade, I don't want to close it just yet, but this is a bullish engulfing candle. So, and if this, it's confusing right now because we have a turnaround that's not showing where it's supposed to have happened, but it did touch value area high and 50% moving average. And right now I just want to go scratch in case this does go against me. And then I'll just sit on the sidelines at this point because I'm not sure what's happening right now. So we'll see if we can at least get half off or somewhere abouts. So even, let's say we got down to 25, 24. And we'll see if we can, I'll set that at 25 and see if we can get 8 off or half off at 8 ticks. So, okay, good. All right, half off at 8 ticks there, and 5 contracts short, 60.33. Stop sitting at break even, And now I'm not gonna set a pill point yet. I'm just gonna watch and see what happens here. So, dodge the bullet on that one. That's actually outside of my trading plan. And, it helps to know this market, like I've said before, but I always use risk management as well. But I'm not going to make that mistake again. All right, I'll be back. Okay, went ahead, took 2 off at 13 for 20 ticks. That leaves me 3 contracts short, 60.33. Stop still sitting at break even. And now, I don't want to do much of anything. I'm still optimistic we're getting on down here to point of control, even with this big old candle here. So I'm not a candle trader. So I'm just kind of using the numbers and knowing the heartbeat of CL. So we'll see what happens here. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, stopped out there, and that's going to be a wrap for me today. So some profit. I'm not sure how much more trades than I'd like to take because I don't remember how many I took. And we're just going to call it the day there. All right, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to roll my charts over tonight. Today is rollover day, actually, anyway. So we'll be rolling up to the CLJ contract, the April contract. And actually, you can actually tell right here by the whole lack of volume. People actually rolled over probably yesterday or this morning or sometime. So I'm going to go ahead and roll my charts over. And I just wanted to give you guys an update. I am going to continue my YouTube channel, but I am going to be making the transition over to DTube. It's a decentralized tube ran by Steemit. It seems a lot of YouTube creators are starting to move that way, being that YouTube is they're changing their policies so much now. It's really cutting the bottom line for people that depend on, or not depend, but have a supplementary income from their YouTube channel. So I don't have enough subscribers to here anyway, but I think DTube is really going to allow creators to be able to put up the content that they want. And a lot of my YouTube friends have started making that transition, and I am as well. So YouTube is still going to be primary, but everything that I upload here, I'm going to start putting over there. And if YouTube finally or eventually bites the bullet, then it'll be a seamless transition, being that the platform is still very similar to how YouTube runs. So, all right, guys, that's a wrap, and we'll see you tomorrow. So, still kicking myself because I didn't trade yesterday, but I just didn't have the time, and that would have been an easy 100 ticks yesterday as I went and looked back on the charts. So, but hey, as long as we're able to live to trade another day, that's all that matters. All right, guys, have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye.